Hey y'all, tonight coming back at you with another video, and I am in my messy apartment, y'all. So let me give you a rundown. So my apartment, it is a picture of how my mind is, okay? So when my apartment is all over the place, just know my mind is all over the place, okay? So I've been like so freaking busy, and I've been like in a mood lately. Like I just been sucky, okay? So I'm trying to make myself feel a little bit better, because if I stare at a clean apartment, then I'll be like, okay, maybe my life is somewhat together. I don't know what I'm gonna be thinking, but as you can see, my hair is all over the place too, so I just look like I don't give a fuck about myself. But I do. So I'm about to film myself cleaning this up, because something gotta give. So we're gonna start with the laundry first, because laundry is top priority, babes, okay? I haven't cleaned laundry in like a couple weeks, not even gonna lie to y'all. So let's go get her done.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road, like, yes. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that Northside heat. And still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashes to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan. I can't do this on my own, hey, no, hey. Someone watching this shit close, yup, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road, hey, might go down as G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, hey, wait. I make sure that Northside E, yeah. And still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing on me. Yeah. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing on me. Yeah.
so easily. Who'd ever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Who'd ever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? Now when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we all thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be happy. Did the thoughts that we had? Did the words that we said? Never say never.